Oh, look at that. Vegetable chow mein for less than £1. You can use any vegetables you like. I'm just using broccoli, red, yellow pepper, spring onion, and some fresh garlic. Broccoli, one of my favourite vegetables. Start off by cutting up your broccoli into small pieces. Oh, a broccoli! Finally slice all your red and yellow peppers, like this. Always use the freshest spring onions for your vegetable chow mein. Oh, this one, no good. How much money? You pay this one. How much money? I no pay. Too much money. Too much money. Ay-yo. Peel and finely chop one garlic clove. Finely chop half an onion. As with all Chinese cooking, preparation is the most important part, so have all your vegetables ready to go straight into the wok. To prepare your chow mein noodles, these noodles by the way are used in 99% of Chinese takeaways and restaurants. Use one nest of noodles per person. Now all you have to do is put a nest of noodles into the pot, fill up with boiling water, put on the lid and allow to sit for 8 minutes. You don't need to put the pot on the stove, this is just to loosen up the noodles and it'll be ready in 8 minutes. After 3 or 4 minutes, lift the lid and give the noodles a quick stir and replace the lid again. A box of these chow mein noodles will cost you around £21 and will get you 30 portions of chow mein noodles. After 8 minutes, lift the lid, pour the noodles into a strainer or sieve, rinse with cold water and make a hole in the middle. Allow to drain and dry for. Bring a pot of water to the boil. Boil your broccoli for 3 to 4 minutes. To a hot wok, add your vegetables. Stir fry your vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your chow mein noodles. Give everything a quick stir. Mix everything together. To add in some flavour and darken up the colour of the noodles, add in a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything together. Flip and turn the noodles. When all your noodles start to go dark in colour, like this, it's time to add in your broccoli, followed by your garlic. Don't forget to add in your Chinese rice wine. This is Shaoxing wine. All Chinese takeaways and restaurants use this. Finish off your vegetable chow mein with a splash of sesame oil. Special thanks to Mr. Chang for appearing in this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Now for some extra flavour you can add in spring onions. A lot of people don't like spring onions, but I think that you need them. Lovely jubbly.